Today's lesson is all about asking and answering one of the most common questions. How are you? Or in German, wie geht's dir? Let's get started. How are you? Wie geht's dir? This is a friendly, informal way to ask someone how they are. Repeat after me. Wie geht's dir? Slower. Wie geht's dir? Literally, it means, how's it going? If you want to be a little more formal, for example, with someone older or in professional situations, you can say, wie geht's Ihnen? Try it. Wie geht's Ihnen? That's the polite version of, how are you? I'm good. Mir geht's gut. When someone asks how you are, a simple answer is, mir geht's gut. Repeat, mir geht's gut. It means, I'm good, or I'm doing well. Very good, sehr gut. If you're feeling great, say, sehr gut. Try it with energy. Sehr gut. So-so, es geht. If you're just okay, you can say, es geht. Repeat, es geht. That means it's going, like I'm getting by. Not so good, nicht so gut. If you're not feeling great, say, nicht so gut. Repeat after me, nicht so gut. And you? Und dir? Und Ihnen? To keep the conversation going, ask the other person, und dir? Informal, und Ihnen? Formal. Try both. Und dir? Und Ihnen? English to German recap. How are you? Wie geht's dir? Wie geht's Ihnen? I'm good. Mir geht's gut. Very good. Sehr gut. So-so. Es geht. Not so good. Nicht so gut. And you? Und dir? Und Ihnen? Great job today. You've learned how to check in with someone and respond naturally, in both friendly and formal ways. Practice these with someone, or even in the mirror. See you in the next lesson. Tschüss und bis bald.